there are cheaper panels on the market. One thing that I've learnt in my time as a tradesperson especially is you do get what you pay for. There are a lot of cheap panels available on the market. We were prepared to pay more money up front for our product, higher quality, warranty reasons, and the fact that we can deal with local warranty agents to have our product covered if the case of warranty does arise. Yeah, we just got the bill back the other day, $314 after a 90-day period. So,
that's not bad, is it?
Yeah, credits, yeah, really stoked, mate, yeah.
That's
System's
great.
performing really well. So we've already had a return so far of over $300. Once our electricity expenses have already been taken into consideration, we've positively made over $300 of a return. We are getting paid to generate electricity and it's brilliant. The system hasn't missed a beat. Since day one, since we installed it, we've turned it on. We've been yielding between 40 to 45 kilowatts. Mind you, we are in the cooler months of the year, so the sun is a little bit off its axis. However, coming to wet season, we are going to be yielding a lot more.